Despite getting flack from all quarters for the proposed retrospective tax legislation in the union budget, Finance Minister Pranab Mukerjee is learned to have told his US counterpart, that's Timothy Geithner, that the legislation is very much here to stay and there is no rethink possible on it. Supriya Srinath is here with more details on that. Supriya.
No, it looks like India will stand its ground. I mean, especially Finance Minister Pranab Mukerjee in his visit to the US. He is in Washington presently. He's got various letters that have come in from global trade bodies, but he's refused to budge, and he has said that tax amendments that have been proposed in the union budget are only clarificatory in nature. They are not substantive. They perhaps only, expound upon the intent of legislation, and that has to do with the fact that any asset which is being bought or sold in India, there will be a capital gains tax on this. There cannot be a zero tax regime. In the bargain, of course, Vodafone will have to cough up the tax. That's the position the union has maintained for a very long time now. And the fact that he's told Timothy Geithner, and the fact that Timothy Geithner raised this issue in the United States gives you a sense of how wide and, how intensely this issue is being debated across the globe. I mean, about 8 or 9 global trade bodies have written to the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister has referred that issue to the Finance Minister. But the government, it looks like, is in no mood to rethink or budge on that issue whatsoever.